A little tired. I think it takes a lot of energy out of you. Thinking all the time, sometimes you just gotta go free without using the mind. This seems to grow. I mean, I think I just shaved it. I'm gonna have to look back at my video and see the last time I shaved this, because this seems to grow like overnight, like right in front of you, getting gray. So Levette asked me about the dot, and if you add up the numbers to the dot, it is 4 and 9. 4 times 9, D and O, do, OD, overdrive, odd. Dot, Department of Transportation. MDV, Motor Vehicle Department, 444. Well, 49, okay, and T is all together. The T is 20, which means it's both sides. This side and this side is 0. This side and this side is 0. Could be right over here. The cube shows me when it's sitting square, then it's the top left and top right corner. Otherwise, it's a cross. Now, if it's a cross, we're going to get into this dot thing. DOT, T equaling to 20. 20 plus 9, okay, plus D4 equals to 33. How come I marked 39 on my other sheet? So DOT, okay, dot is 20 plus, oh, excuse me, the O is 6. The D, it's 4, 6, 2, which equals to 12, which equals to 3. Ah, so it's the center, 3, 1, and 2. You can't have any other, can't have any smaller. Can't have any smaller than what it is, otherwise you won't part, or the area space is occupied and you're squished in there. Dot. T is 20. O is 15, is 35, electric company C&E. 1 and 1 and 1 and 2, creating what it does in numbers. I'm not going to go through all the financial areas. Now, could have said a better word than that. My English ain't so good. Dot. D-O-T. 15 and 4 is 19. O is 15 and 4 is 19, artificial intelligence. Spirit area, what does it mean? 4 by 19, 68. It's the cat, the 9 lives of the cat area. Dot. D is 0. 4 is 64 plus 15 equals to 79 plus 20 equals to 99 plus 6, 105, the hand of God. 105, the hand of God, 165. Now 1, 6, and 5, 1, 6, and 5, 6 and 5, 6 reverted to 5. Once you have the 6 and 5 together, it's automatically telling you F. It's automatically telling you they're in the percentage relationship between two sides, because 8 automatically brings with the 9. So let's do this video now. Okay, now if I was doing this video now, I would either put one over here, and I would put one over here, and I would put one over here, and I would put one over here. Here are all my squares. Here's the dot. Let me put the dot. Here's the dot, and here's the dot. These are all 5 position. 5, 5, and 5, and 5. They all have the dot inside of it. Okay, 14, 23. These two over here, the spirit of 55, because in this area over here is where the Star of David will go. See this angle? The cube is square, but now it's got to work in this position. It's working in this position, but we're going to keep it square. See this square zone? Now, it could have been the reverse. I just made squares in this corner, okay? But I could have did the opposite and put these here, right? See this one over here? The way I picked this up, I automatically know this must be the center of my area. What section is that? That's right, that's section 5. Then we have over here, number 5, but it is a blue zone and a red zone. Section 5, a blue zone and a red zone. See, here's the, see, X goes through O. X goes through O. Turn it sideways. You see at the bottom, you see at the bottom, it doesn't go all the way through. It doesn't go all the way through in this area. Here it goes all the way through. The X goes all the way through. Here, the X goes all the way through. Why does it do that? Because 1, 3, 7, and 9 are red. Put this one back. And over here, this is 13 over here, right? In this position over here, this is 13. It's a black area. Okay. This one here, it stops. This is a black area. Okay. This one goes all the way around. 21, 19, 27. This is a red area. This is a black area. This is a black area. So it's being stopped. It's being stopped here. It's being stopped over here. Just give me 1 second. I think I hear something in the background. Okay, it's being stopped. Do you understand when I say it's being stopped? This one is surrounded by red. This one is surrounded by red. So X and O equaling to 39, equaling to sky, 6 and 8. 6 and 8. This one over here, this 5, okay, it goes all the way around. No, it doesn't go all the way around. Hold on a second. This one goes all the way around in black. Yes, it goes all the way around in black. This one goes all the way around in black. And does this one go all the way around in black? Yes, they're all around in black. All around in black. 2, 4, 6, 8. All around in black. Then we're going to go over here. 13, 15, Let me see. Hold on a second. I mean, it seems I wrote over the numbers, right? This is all around. The four corners are red, connecting with black. So I put that one here on number 5. Now I have 11, 15, 13. These two, and then over here 17. They're all black. Okay. This one over here. Okay. These 4 that are around are red, but these 4. Okay. These 4 are all black. 22 and 24 Grover Cleveland. So I'm going to put this here, and then I'm going to put this over here. So I'm going to put them all like this. But you have to understand, 4 reds go around here. Over here, it's not 4 reds. In this corner, okay, it's black. In this corner, it's black, okay? Normally, it's 4 reds. So only 3 out of 4 here, 3 out of 4 here. And in this one, I have 3 out of 4. 3 out of 4. All these, okay, all these areas have 4 blacks. There's all 4 blacks. All these are black. They're all black. That's to start with. Okay? It seems like I'm going on and on forever. So there's 4 blacks going on. Around this one, okay, I'll have 3 reds. 30, 36, 34, 70, 100, 106, 166. This would be my total. In the front one, in the back one, I'll have 3, 9, and 7. 7, 9, and 3. The 3 will have to make a 9. I'll have 9, 7, 9, 7, 9, 7. Number 23. In the first one, I have 1, 3, 7, 9. This one is red. Over here, I have 19. Over here, 21 here is 40. 50, 65, 75, 85, 92. That creates your birth. Around this one over here, I only have 3 of them. 12, okay, is over here in this corner. And this is 18 for 30. And this is 16 for 46. So 46 is over here. Just let me stop this video. That's pretty confusing. I'm going to leave this video as it is. What I want to show is, the question is, where is the dot? And I'm going to go over it again. It's hard to, unless we have a good, because I can see the dot is, they put a dot, to start this video camera around everything, showing the center of it is where you have to press. So the dot is showing you to the center of things. That's where the dot comes in. It is the center of that item. And it means it is above and it is below. It is side to side, but in the center is where you go to get all of them to start the video. So I'm going to just take this back. So if this was the dot over here, okay, the arm over here will hit here, 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 and here. The question is, we can bet on these. I can put a bet right over here. So if I'm putting a bet here and a bet here and a bet here and a bet here, would that say my clock starts from here? And if my clock starts from here, okay, that means I go all the way around, but I'm also going to get this side. Does this only get 2 parts, or does it get 3 parts according to the clock, depending where your arms are on that dot? So there's going to be one here. I'm either going to put that here, or I'm going to put it here. And if I put it here, what I'll be using up is 4 corners. I'll be using up 4 parts out of 16. 4 parts out of 16 equals to the purple sky. Here, I will be using up 4 parts of 4, because I'm going right on it. Here, I'll be using up 4 parts of 16. So 12 will be empty. Here is 4 of 4. Over here is a little bit different. See the way this fits right in between the size of the cube? At the same time, there's multiple boards. So in multiple boards, if I put a bet over here, right, this board will take all the way around. And since it's 11 to 1, there's got to be a minimum of 3 boards, because that's 11 to 1 on 3 numbers, right? 11 to 1 on 3 numbers. 11 to 1, so it's telling me how many boards. In here, it's going over here. It says 8. If it's 8, that means my time clock will have to touch 8. In between here, it's 35, so maybe my time clock has to touch the 1 plus 34 around it. Or in actuality, since this pays 17 to 1, the center, my hand will be going this way and this way, this way and this way. That way I won't go into the other areas. It'll always give me the average of 35 to 1. Or it'll give me 8 to 1, because it'll be the X that turns. It'll turn in all these 4. I'll turn it a little turn, a little turn. It'll stay in here, 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 and here. So if I put it here, you have to understand the movement of where it is. If I put it here, and between these two, it's a 17 to 1. That means the arm cannot leave this area of 17 to 1. If it's here, it's 17 to 1. But if it's here and here, right, I get all 4 corners. If I put this something over here, it's 35 to 1. I get here, 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 and here. Now the question is 35 to 1, okay, makes 36. 1, 2, 3, 4, 9 in each corner. How do I count this? Do I count this for 4? Raphael, leaving it as it is. Thank you for watching this video. If we had the science and we were working on it, I can ask that question, because this is perfect science. Thank you for watching.